Alrighty, folks. Every Monday, I give you a live look in what is going on in my real estate business in Fresno, California. Sometimes we have the whole team join. Sometimes it's a one-on-one conversation. And today, we are talking with Patrick. How you doing, buddy?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing well. So this might be a very short call, but let's catch up on what's going on with our the second flip. Right, we've already completed one. We got in on the 31st of October. We got out on the
Right.
30th of January. 89 days start to finish. Made a bunch of money. Now we have the
Yep.
second one. Uh, it was listed, I think, originally for 309. We took it to 299. That sparked, got past the FHA date. It's in contract. We open escrow on Monday. Net after credits, I think it's 191 or 192 or something like that. Will come to us.
Sure.
It's fine. Uh, the buyer has EMD in, so that's good. They're serious.
Correct.
Buyer
Mm-hmm.
has scheduled appraisal. We needed to turn on the water heater post tenting. Folks, if you don't know, we tented the property, which is fumigation. You need to let that dissipate before you turn on a water heater. It is now supposed to have been turned on Saturday, although we did not get confirmation. So, Patrick, I believe you're probably following up with Amanda here this morning if it hasn't happened already. Is that where we're at?
Accurate. Yes. Yep. They have home inspections scheduled for either Tuesday or Wednesday, and we're hoping to get an appraiser in early this week. Hopefully, we'll see.
Yep. So we do need to confirm the water heater's on because again, whether it's a home
Yes.
inspection or an appraiser, you want the entire house functioning. And if they go in there and they go, we don't have hot water, that's a problem. Hence,
Yep.
we need to turn that on. We're not making any mistakes in the order of things. Go back and watch last week's video because we had some unfortunate hiccups given I was out of the country for a while on dates. So we're not doing that again. So yeah, the
Right.
open item is for you and Amanda to get connected. That's kind of where we're at. So I'll look for a text later in today, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
That
Have you
works.
connected with Adam on this? Because he was trying to rope this in, but I haven't heard from Adam in a few days.
No, I haven't, not regarding this specifically. But with Amanda, and I just, going back and forth directly,
Yeah,
it kind of makes it a streamlined process. So
wonderful.
we'll
So
get it
since
done.
that's behind us, so really again on this, we'll just walk through everybody the remaining process. So it sounds like the buyer will have a home inspection done. The home inspector always finds things, at least my experience.
Mhm.
We will see what they find. Might be nothing, might be something. We'll see. There will be an appraisal done. We'll see if it comes in at value or not. Assuming both of those are non-events, which again we've done the house top to bottom, we've done section one, all of that. So hoping for good things, but you never know. I should be
Mhm.
signing docs probably. I'm going to guess like April 5th. I actually don't know what April 5th is. I'm guessing 2 weeks out. I'll sign docs, and we could be closed by April 15th. That's what I'm thinking.
Yep, that's accurate. Yep. April 3rd would be the 21st day, and it's a 30-day escrow. So, yep, right
Right
around
around
April
there.
4th. Yep. Sounds
Okay.
good. Yeah.
All right. So this one's going along. Really, we may not know anything next Monday, which is our next call. We'll certainly have updates the following one because, again, we got to wait for the inspection and appraisal to see if we need to do anything. But let's talk
Correct.
about the business. What's going on? You seen any more deals or inventory crashing? I need to buy some more stuff. I got money to put to work, man. Come on. What's the deal?
Yeah. Yeah. No, inventory is tight, just like everywhere else. We're Adam and I are still working on that database, following up. A lot more stingy, I guess, sellers, and yeah, it's just hard to come by newer listings, and so they're getting picked off one by one every single time I call up on them. They just have other offers that exceed, what margins that you guys may be looking for. So
It
we're
was it was
trying,
really
we're
funny
on there.
between Thanksgiving and Christmas. I tell everybody every year it's a wonderful time to buy. Buyers disappear.
Right.
And
Right.
again, we got both of these for more than 30% below list price. So um, yeah,
Yep.
it was a good time. So again, I know you're doing the work. Um, Anything else you want to say before maybe we just make this a short video this week?
No, no, I think we're good. We're still looking for FHA buyers. So if you're out
Yeah,
there,
that's a good point. Yeah.
contact us. Yep.
Yeah, one of the
So
things, Patrick, great point. One of the things, if you are in Fresno, Madera, basically Valley, and you are an FHA or even VA buyer, I would love to document your story. I
mhm.
believe getting on the property ladder is the right way, to go forward. I know it's hard. I know it's scary. I would love to help you with that. I would love to document your story, and Patrick is helping me with that. Patrick, how would somebody reach out if they wanted to say, "Hey, yeah, I'm a buyer. And
Sure.
I'm a buyer, and I'm willing to share my story." How would they do that?
Absolutely. I just made it easy for you guys. So if you see on the corner of my screen, visit that website and all my contact information is on there, or just email me at thepatkim@gmail.com.
Awesome. I saw Ty trying to join, but you know what we'll do? We'll call this a quick video. Patrick, thank you
Okay.
so much. Bye.
Thanks, Mike. Take care.